Today, I'm not the star of the show. Nelson is not the star of the show. Have we ever been stars of the show?
I don't think my face shines that much.
Anyway, today's Pollo Asado Sandwich is worthy of all the rave it can get. It is tender, juicy, with classic Mexican flavors, very affordable, and you can make it fast. All you need is buns, a good marinade, and the willingness to spend a little time grilling. Let's start with our delicious cilantro, jalapeño, lime mayo. It is super easy to make. It comes together in a blender. Add in a quarter of a bunch of cilantro, roughly chopped. 1 jalapeno deseeded and also roughly diced. A garlic clove, half a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, 1 cup of your favorite type of mayo. I'm using avocado oil based, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, which is about half a lime, and salt to taste. Now cover and blend until completely smooth. Just pour it into a container. Be careful. Cover and place it in the fridge until we need it. It's gonna give it enough time to set up a bit more. The marinade we're making is a combination of citrus, fat, and sweetness with other components that bring a lot of flavor to the table. Measure out a quarter of a cup of lime juice and a quarter of a cup of orange juice. And just pour it into a blender. Also add in half a cup of low sodium chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of ground guajillo. I'm gonna leave you the link down in the description area to this product. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of ground onion, 1 teaspoon of dry Mexican oregano, half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 5 peeled whole garlic cloves. Oops. Salt to taste, I'll be doing 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Blend it until smooth and completely combined. Measure out a quarter of a cup of a good high heat cooking oil. I'm using avocado oil. I didn't blend the oil in with the marinade because it emulsifies, and that's not what I'm looking for in this marinade. Pour it in with the oil, give it a mix until well combined. I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs already in a Ziploc bag. Pour in the marinade. Gorgeous. That guajillo really gave this marinade a wonderful body. Close it and make sure it's well coated. Now place it in the fridge and allow this to marinate for about 6 to 8 hours. You can do it overnight as well. All right, I've got some chicken I marinated last night. Let's fire up that grill. Jeez. Nelson has set up a 2-zone grilling method. On one side, we have the charcoal, which is going to be our direct heat zone. And on the other side, it doesn't have any. It's going to be our indirect heat zone. I'm just gonna take an onion to season and clean the grates. And right away, you can start to smell the aroma. Let the excitement begin. Place the chicken directly over the hot charcoal. That way we get grill marks and a nice color. That oil in the marinade is not just gonna help us hold moisture, but also prevent the chicken from sticking to the grill. I wish you could smell this. We are getting a really nice color all around. As they turn that desired color, start placing them on the indirect heat zone. And now we're gonna cover it and allow them to fully cook. All right, we are there. The safe internal temperature for chicken thighs is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that chicken is fully cooked, you can lay your preferred type of cheese right on top of it. That way it melts. Pepper jack seems to be a great option because it has a kick of heat and it's nice and creamy. On the other hand, I prefer to have Swiss cheese because it's lower in sodium and also fat, plus it's super delicious. So you pick and choose what best suits your needs. Nelson's gonna get pepper jack, I'm gonna get Swiss cheese. Love how the cheese hugs the chicken once fully melted, which brings me to toasting the brioche buns. I'm throwing in a low-carb one for myself because of health reasons. Spread both cut sides with mayo or softened butter and have them ready so when the chicken is fully cooked, you can toast them over the still hot charcoal. Everything looks amazing. I cannot wait any longer. Let's make some amazing grilled chicken sandwiches. Spread your desired amount of cilantro mayo over the bottom bun. Love that even the mayo has something magical to offer. I love a good crunch, and fresh lettuce is a must. Moving on, tomato and red onion slices are as important. All right, stack 2 chicken thighs, and this should have you planning a trip to the food market. This sandwich is out of this world, and if that wasn't enough, mash some avocados together with a touch of lime juice and salt until creamy and slightly chunky. Spread it over the top bun and place over the thighs. Wow, wow, wow. Best chicken sandwich ever. It's flavorful, creamy, smoky, crunchy, all the things that we love and more. All right, Nelson, come on. I am drooling over this. Oh my goodness.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Oh, yes.
Look at that big sandwich.
I don't know if I can go all the way now.
I think I went overboard too. Okay, let's do this. I was only able to get the chicken last time. This time, let's go for the entire thing. Wow.
No worries.
Wow.
So juicy, so tender, so good.
The chicken. Everything about this is just amazing. You have to try it at home. I would probably just do 1 piece of chicken because I can barely bite into it, but 2 just looks amazing.
Do 2 pieces of chicken, 1 piece of lettuce. You will not eat better chicken sandwich than this.
I really hope you follow us on all of our social media platforms. Don't forget to like this video, and also you can find the full printable recipe on villacocina.com.
Go follow us on Instagram. Come on.
Right?
Twitter. Everything else.
All right, sounds good. Let's go eat this because it's amazing.
Until the next one.
Bye.